Hello students, good morning. Myself Amit, your maths teacher, as you know very well. Uh, we have covered chapter 11, congruency of triangles of exercise 11.1, and I hope you understood congruency, what is congruency. And then now in last session I have covered 11.1 also, and last question, fourth question is for your homework. I hope you done. And now we will proceed with page number 193, conditions, criteria of congruency of triangles. Conditions or criteria. Conditions, or you can say criteria of congruency of triangle. Okay, what are the conditions of congruency of triangles? I already shown in last class that two triangles are there. Say this is one side of that triangle, name AB, is similar to this side PQ. Okay, both sides are equal. Now another side AC is equal to and similar to PR. Okay, this side equal to this side. And now third side is BC, which is equal to and similar to third side of this triangle. Okay, means this side corresponds to this side corresponds to this side, and this side corresponds to this side. Means this side is equal to and similar to this side is equal to and similar to this, and this side is equal to and similar to this. Similarly, angles also, this angle is equal to this angle A equal to angle B, this angle B equal to this angle Q, and this angle C is equal to this angle, corresponding angle R. Okay, now what are the conditions? See, conditions are like in this triangle and in this triangle. If this side is equal to and similar to this side is equal to and similar to this side, and this side is equal to and similar to this side, means in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. All are equal and similar, then we can say side congruency. Okay, this is called SSS congruency of triangle. SSS triple S congruency means this side is equal to and similar to this side for this S, another S for this side equal to this side, and another S for this side equal to this side. Means for this side this S, for this side this S, and for this side this S. Means side is equal to and similar to this side and this side. This side corresponds to this side corresponds to this side, and this side corresponds to this side. So this type of criteria, or you can say condition, when this side equal to this side equal to this side, and this side equal to this side, means all the three sides are equal to and similar to the other triangle. Corresponding sides are also equal. This is the criteria of triple S. SSS, congruency of triangle. SSS means side, side, side. This side, and this side. Side, side, side. Okay. This is conditions of triple S, congruency of triangles. Okay. All the three sides are equal and similar to all the sides of another triangle. Okay. Okay. So guys, as I have shown you the criteria of triple S, side, side, side. So take an example, activity, that if this side is 5 centimeter, means this side is also 5 centimeter. If this side is 6 centimeter, this side also 6 centimeter. This side is 7 centimeter, and this side is also 7 centimeter. Means this side and this side, corresponding sides are equal. This side and this side, corresponding sides are equal. This side and this side, corresponding sides are equal. So we can say that this triangle ABC is triangle ABC is equal to triangle PQR, and both are similar, means congruent. Both triangles are congruent triangles according to triple S. Side, side, side. All the three sides are equal to and similar to corresponding all these three sides. Okay. This is the example of triple S condition, triple S criteria. Side, side, side. Three sides means three sides. For these three sides, equal to and similar to this three side for these three. Okay. So this is the condition for triple S. Okay. Here now another criteria, side, angle, side. I have told you, just write SSS, that is side, 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 means all the three sides of this triangle is equal to all the three sides of this triangle, means triangle PQR is equal to and similar to triangle ABC. This side equal to this side equal to this side, and this side equal to this side. Okay. This is triple S condition. Now here side, angle, side means this side, say A, B, and this side, say P, Q. Another side, this, say C, and this R. This side is equal to this side and similar also. This side equal to this side and similar also, and including angle also. Okay. So including angle is this, and here is this, means this angle is equal to this angle. Means if this side equal to this side, if this side equal to this side, and this angle is equal to this angle, so this condition is, this is side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So this is the condition of, now this is triangle. In triangle ABC is equal to and similar to triangle PQR, when this side AB equal to this side PQ, this side AC is equal to that side PR, and this angle A is equal to angle P. All are similar and equal. So this is the criteria for side angle side. When this side and the included angle means जब ये साइड और इन दोनों साइड का जो कॉमन पॉइंट है, कॉमन वर्टिक्स है, और इन दोनों का जो कॉमन एंगल है, इंक्लूडेड एंगल, जब ये तीनों कंडीशन इस तीनों कंडीशन के साथ इक्वल एंड सिमिलर होते हैं तो वी कैन से साइड एंगल साइड कंडीशन ऑफ कंजर्वेंसी ऑफ ट्राइंगल। मीन्स अगर ये साइड इस साइड के इक्वल हो, ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल हो, और ये साइड इस साइड के इक्वल हो, तो हम कह सकते हैं दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्राइंगल, both triangles are equal and similar, means congruency. Okay, both are congruent triangles. Another example you can say, if like this side and this side is equal to this side and this side, say A, B, C, P, Q, R. This side equal to this side and this side equal to this side, and this angle is equal to this angle. So here also side, angle, side, side, angle, side, same condition. So we can say AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR, and angle B is equal to angle Q. All this side equal to this side and similar also, this side equal to this side and similar also, this angle is equal to this angle and similar also. So we can say this triangle and this triangle, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, both are congruent to each other according to side angle side SCS criteria. Okay, yeah. Now angle side angle, in last I have showed you SSS condition, side side side. Another one is SAS, side angle side. Now it is angle side angle, ASA. ASA means common vertex. Here again common vertex, say A, B, C, P, Q, R. Okay, angle, say this angle, here this angle, means angle A equal to and similar to angle P. Side, say this side or this side. If this side equal to and similar to this side, means side AB is equal to this side PQ, and this angle equal to this angle, means angle B equal to angle Q. So this is the condition for angle side angle. Angle side angle, angle side angle, means if this angle is equal to this angle, angle A equal to angle P, if this side is equal to this side, say AB equal to PQ, and this angle equal to this angle, corresponding angle, say angle B equal to angle Q. When this side is corresponding, sides are equal, this angle corresponding angle is equal, and this angle corresponding angle is equal. So angle side angle means here is including sides. Two angles are here, दो angles है यहाँ पे, और दोनों angles के बीच में ये side है, यहाँ भी दोनों angle है, दोनों angle के बीच में side है. So we can say angle side angle. जब किसी triangle में एक angle, एक side और दूसरा angle इक्वल और सिमिलर हो दूसरे ट्राइंगल के सेम एंगल, सेम साइड और सेम अनदर एंगल के, जब ये तीनों कंडीशंस इक्वल हो तो वी कैन से एंगल साइड एंगल। एंगल, ये एंगल और ये एंगल दोनों के बीच में साइड है, ये एंगल और ये एंगल दोनों एंगल के बीच में साइड है, तो ये एंगल इसके इक्वल, ये एंगल इसके इक्वल और ये साइड इसके इक्वल और सिमिलर। तो ऐसा कंडीशन जब दोनों एंगल ये साइड और ये दोनों एंगल ये साइड दोनों कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स एक दूसरे के इक्वल और सिमिलर होते हैं, तो वी कैन से कंजरेंसी ऑफ बोथ ट्रायंगल, मीन्स बोथ ट्रायंगल्स आर कंजरेंट according to ASA condition. Another condition you can see, like if we take this angle equal to and similar to this angle, if we can take this angle and equal to and similar to this angle equal to this angle equal to this, and this side equal to this side. So both angles are here equal to this both angle. This side is equal to this side, means angle side angle, angle side angle, including side both angles are here, and the included side both angles are here, and the included side. So again this is the condition, same condition, angle side angle, angle side angle, मीन्स ये एंगल इसके एंगल के इक्वल, ये एंगल इसके एंगल के इक्वल और ये साइड इसके साइड के इक्वल, और इन दोनों एंगल्स का इंक्लूडिंग साइड है, इन दोनों एंगल्स का इंक्लूडिंग साइड है, और ये सारा ऑल द थ्री कंडीशंस आर इक्वल टू एंड सिमिलर टू दिस थ्री, देन वी कैन से दिस इज अगेन फुलफिल द क्राइटेरिया ऑफ एंगल साइड एंगल। तो इस कंडीशन में ये दोनों ही ट्राइंगल, ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ट्राइंगल PQR बोथ आर इक्वल एंड similar, so congerency, condition of congerency, equal and similar to triangle PQR. Okay, another thing, see, should in next now take an example. If this is say 30 degree, this is also 30 degree, this is say 60 degree, 50 degree, this is also 50 degree, side say 8 centimeter, here again 8 centimeter. Okay, then angle B equal to angle Q, both are 30 degree, angle C equal to angle R, which is 50 degree. So both are equal and similar, and this side BC is equal to this side QR, both are similar. So we can say triangle ABC is equal to and similar to triangle PQR, means both are congruent triangles. Okay, another example. For SAS condition, SAS say 8 centimeter, this is also 8, say this is also 10 centimeter, this is also 10 centimeter, and the including angle say 40 degree, here including angle 40 degree for SAS, side angle side, side angle side condition. Okay, in this condition side it's 8 centimeter, this is also 8 centimeter, this side is 10 centimeter, this is also 10 centimeter, this angle is 40, means this is also 40, means we can say side AB is equal to side PQ, and side BC is equal to QR. PQ is 8 centimeter and QR is 10 centimeter, and angle B is equal to angle Q, and both are 40 degree. So this side and this side, both side are 8 centimeter, equal to and similar. BC QR is equal to and similar 10 centimeter, and angle B, angle Q, both are equal and similar 40 degree. So side angle side are corresponding side, angle, side, both are equal, so we can say triangle ABC and triangle PQR both are congruent triangles. So these are the examples of that. Now we will proceed with now all the three conditions, I think triple S, SES and ASA. I hope you all understood. Okay. Now the condition for RHS, right angle hypotenuse. Yeah, now RHS. RHS means right angle, R for right angle, H for hypotenuse, S for side. Right angle, R, hypotenuse, H, side, S. So this is a right angle triangle. This is another right angle triangle. Say A, B, C, P, Q, R. So in right angle triangle, angle B is, and this is also right angle triangle, equal to angle Q. Both are 90 degree. So both are equal and similar. Okay. Now in RHS condition, right angle hypotenuse. Right angle, okay, hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse. Means if hypotenuse of both triangles are equal, means AC is equal to PR. Say like 5 centimeter. Okay. Both are equal, 5 centimeter, means both are equal and similar. So true criteria is here. First is angle B 90 degree, angle Q 90 degree, both are equal, means similar also. Hypotenuse AC, hypotenuse PQ, both are PR, both are 5 centimeter equal, and one another side, either this or this, या तो ये साइड या फिर ये साइड, अगर ये साइड और ये साइड भी इक्वल हो जाए, say this is 3 centimeter, this is also 3 centimeter, means if right angle are same, hypotenuse same, and this side perpendicular side both are same, means AB is equal to PQ, which is 3 centimeter. When this side and this side are equal, hypotenuse and hypotenuse are equal, and right angle are equal, then we can say that this is the fulfilling the criteria of RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle, this is right angle equal, similar, hypotenuse, equal and similar, side, this side and this side equal. Three criteria: right angle 90 degree in both triangle, 90 degree equal, hypotenuse, both hypotenuse equal, and side, either this side or this side, कोई एक साइड होना चाहिए. तो अभी मैं इस साइड का ले रहा हूँ, तो अगर ये साइड और ये साइड इक्वल है, मीन्स फॉर दिस RHS, R for right angle, H for hypotenuse, and S for side. So take a condition, as you know, Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular square plus base square equal to H square. So take 3 square plus B square equal to 5 square, and B square equal to 5 square minus 3 square. ये प्लस का इधर आके माइनस हो गया. So 25 minus 9, that is 16, means B square 16 and B square equal to 4 square, and B equal to 4, means this is also 4. and this is also 4. Proved. So this is the criteria for RHS: right angle, hypotenuse and side. Take another example. Okay, take another example. See, again triangle ABC, right angle triangle, triangle PQR, again right angle triangle. Both are right angle 90 degree, hypotenuse same, say 5 centimeter again, 5 centimeter again, and last time मैंने perpendicular लिया था, इस बार हम बेस लेते हैं 3. ओके, तो अगर राइट एंगल सेम है, हाइपोटेनस सेम है, तो हमारा अनदर साइड से बेस से BC is equal to QR and both are equal to 3 and similar also. तो अगर हम इस 3 को डालेंगे तो 5 स्क्वायर माइनस h square equal to p square plus b square. H is 5 square equal to p square means p is not here, b is 3 square, and p square equal to 5 square minus 3 square, that is 25 minus 9 p square, and p equal to 16, p square equal to 16 and 16, not here. So p square equal to 4 square and p equal to 4 means this is 4. means हमने क्या समझा, 90 डिग्री और 90 डिग्री इक्वल हो, हाइपोटेनस इक्वल हो और बेस इक्वल हो, तो हमारा परपेंडिकुलर भी इक्वल होगा. और जब सारे all the three sides and angles are equal, to each other, then we can say this is also congruent to each other. Triangle ABC is equal to and similar to triangle PQR. So all the 4 criteria we have discussed already. SSS, all the sides are equal, SSS. Okay, SAS means SAS, side angle side, all the sides are equal. Another ASA, angle side angle side angle, angle. And another thing is RHS means right angle, this is R, hypotenuse H, and side, either this side or this side. Okay, so we have covered this chapter. In this chapter we have covered already the conditions or criteria for congruency of triangles. All the types of congruency of triangles we have covered now, and in next session we will proceed with the examples of this chapter. Okay, example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then after we have to solve exercise 11.2. Okay, thank you, have a good day, and your homework is to do all these things in your notebook. All the criteria, SAS, SSS, ASA, RHS, all you have to do in your notebook with example and definition. Thank you.